Let me see what difference this scalp oil made compared to using the other. Let's see, like, oh, let's see, it just lifted it up. See, I don't know if you guys can see this. It just kind of lifts. Let's see. So that's kind of the feeling. I think that if I use my, made it soft, and it also stopped the itching. Any other oil I use, it will still itch. Alright, but I think I'm still gonna need to use this comb to scrape it out so that when I wash, when I finally wash all of this thing, at least the scalp will be clean. Alright, let's see. So I've scraped these things all off. I still have to use my comb like I did the last time, and like I always do, but the only difference with this one, when I use this oil, is it's easier to bring it off this dried up oily deposits. It's easier to bring it up from my scalp. If I use any other kind of oil, or just even if I wet it and I do it, it still sticks, and then I'll have like some kind of redness when I take it off. I prefer to use this scalp oil. I see on Instagram some other, there's this new one, I forgot the name, is it Derma something, that people are raving about. Maybe I'll give it a try, but I don't know yet. It's spring. People are now out and lawn mowing almost every day or every other day. This is the period I start to rethink my night shift work, because when I'm trying to sleep is when they're all outside mowing, causing a ruckus. I'm not complaining, but it's the truth. So I think I'm definitely gonna have to change something. Alright, I'm gonna go wash. I will wash and go and finish up some other chores for today. This Farberware right here is the most annoying. It's the most annoying Farberware I've ever used. It gets so hot. The Farberware itself gets so hot, but the content will be warm. It's usually hotter than what's inside. I don't know how to explain it. So it's like most of the time when I have to heat up something with other Farberwares in the microwave, sometimes, like this one is coffee, usually 1 minute should be enough to heat it up, but I did 1 minute. The whole cup is hot, the coffee lukewarm, so I have to go heat it up again. Then after heating it up the second time, now I have to transfer it into another cup because I cannot drink from this one. See, it's not even that hot at all. I mean, it's okay. I need to do away with it when I make some money soon. I need to write a blog or edit a blog for my website, for my business, post it on my business website. If you know anybody, CNAs, LPN, nurses, healthcare workers that are okay working in nursing homes, assisted living facilities, share my business website with them. And in case you're wondering, I'm leaving this on because I want it to air dry. My hair is still very wet from the wash. So I'll leave it for maybe another half an hour and then I'll take it off so it's not dripping all over me. But I want it to air dry today. I don't want to use the dryer. I have time today so I can hang around. I can leave it out in the air until it's time for me to leave for work. Let me get that blog going. My delicacy for today, shrimp white rice is ready. And the plan for today, yoga, journaling. I write my journals on my tablet when I wake up. That's the first thing I do, pick it up, write down like what I need to accomplish today. It's not a to-do list per se, but it's just the things I need to concentrate on. So on there I had written yoga. I need to book my flight to France for my birthday. Anytime I have to spend money, this is what I do. Push it until it gets more expensive. But anyway, I have to do that. And then write a blog for my business. I have started writing the blog, but I'm feeling so sleepy. And this 1 cup of coffee I've drank hasn't done nothing. It's not like I wanted it to keep me awake. I like to drink coffee because of the taste. Sometimes I want it to keep me awake, especially when I go to work and when I'm at work. But I really didn't want it to keep me awake, so I will go and take that nap because so that I can come back and concentrate. Just a power nap, like 30 minutes power nap, and I'll be back.